just changed to a 1-inch polishing head. This could take a while, so I'll show you the results once it's done. Now I've got the C-pillar and the rest of the top of the wing finished to a good level. I'm going to start on the roof. There's some flattening marks and bits of dirt and various other little things, and as you can see down the edge there, it's very dry. Probably have to do that by hand, but I'm going to cut the roof back and get rid of all the flattening marks and the little bits that are in it. So I'm going to get on with that, because if I do the doors and then leaning over the doors to do the roof, I'll put marks in the door again. So I've done the rear quarter, but I won't need to lean against that. So the roof's the next job. I'll see you a bit later, see what the progress is. Hello again. I've now got the roof, or one half of the roof, down to a good level, and I've just got to start dealing with the edges and the guttering. Now obviously I want to try and stay away from this edge, and you can see the tape line that are taped off to do the roof. So I'm going to flat this down the side here and try and get that to match the rest of the roof. That's looking good, but as you can see, the sides are a little bit on the rough side, so got a bit of work to do there. Probably see the rest of the day out. It's now 3 o'clock, and it's took me most of the day to do half the roof, this C-pillar, and finish off this wing. But you can see I've got the orange peel out right as close to the edge as I can, but it doesn't look like, see the edge of the boot, that's what it looked like before. So a good 50-50. Right, I'm going to get on with this and see you a bit later. Well, I've flatted as much out as I dare, and I've done flatted the fold down to the guttering, and now I'm going to start polishing. I've gone into the roof, so I'll blend the finish that I've already done. Alright then, let's get polishing. As you can see, I've protected myself from the line and worked this way to blend the roof, and then I have done the flat part. Now I'm going to take the tape off and then really lightly buff up the flatted part that's under the tape. I'm not going to be as aggressive as I have been on the roof and this part, because the edge is where it's going to go through quickly if I'm get a little bit exuberant with the polisher. But I just thought I'd show how I protected myself to do the bulk of the work, so I didn't keep flicking onto the line. So I'm going to remove that tape now and just finish that off. But really it's the end of the day now, and I've spent all day on half the roof basically, but the difference is worth the time. It's a million times better than it was. It just takes a long time with continual flatting and then polishing to get this sort of result. Right, I'm going to crack on with this. See you later. Right, it's the end of the day and I'm not going to start the other side of the roof now till tomorrow, but all is looking good. I'm going to get down in the bottom of the rail. I'll have to do it with my finger, but the sides and the roof now match. So that's mission accomplished for today. Really pleased, haven't broke through, dodged another bullet, and very satisfying. Right, I'll see you tomorrow.